It is time. It's time for the White House. That's right. Of course, one of the numbers. 70 stock. Go to the course. We said we plan is now. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dash? Over the light round. We'll start with Austin in Oklahoma. Austin.
Jimmy, how are you, sir?
I am good. How are you?
Man, I've got no complaints. Another day in paradise.
All right. Good for you.
Okay, so this company I'm calling about has been down about 10% this month, but was up around 5% today alone. I feel like they have a lot of potential and growth. I'm just not sure if it's the time to buy. I'm talking about Vertiv.
Okay, I like Vertiv very much. It's very good. I do prefer, because it was down today, that you buy the stock of Dover, D-O-V, which has a lot more than just data center going for it. It's not as concentrated. Let's go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Hi, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah, Bill.
Jim, can I just say one thing about being in the club? The club sets us up for success. You told us early in June about the rotation, the expansion. Then you even told us about the tech being sold off.
Thank you. Thank you.
You have to be a Harvard man. That's all I know.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. Do my best. Thank you very much.
Jim, what you taught me, I looked at the company Server Robotics, and what you taught me was that they don't make money now. So at this point in the economy, it's not a good time to buy that company.
Correct.
But, could you tell me what you think of Server Robotics?
Okay, well, I mean, look, there's a gigantic secondary coming on. A lot of insider stock going. And I don't like that. I don't like to see that because the company's losing a lot of money. So I don't want to be there. But thank you for the kind words. Jason in New Jersey. Jason.
Booyah, Jim, from Marlboro, New Jersey. How are you?
One of my favorite areas. One of many favorite areas in New Jersey. What's going on?
Awesome. Nothing much. First off, thanks for all you and your staff do for us with the investment club. Really
Thank
awesome.
You. Yeah, but, you know, Jeff, Mark, Zev, we're doing it as best we can. How can I help?
Okay. Paying one of my bills the other day, so I decided to look up the company. They appear to have good earnings, and they pay a really nice dividend. What are your thoughts on BMO?
Oh, Bank of Montreal's very, very good bank. I never understood why it's priced so cheaply, but we just tend to not value it correctly. That would be a buy right here. Let's go to Russell in New York. Russell.
Yes, hi, how are you? Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, what's going on?
Okay, so my question is, Celsius, ticker is CELH.
Look, I got to get to the bottom of Celsius. I mean, this thing has fallen. It looks like a 2-for-1 split. I mean, holy cow. And all I hear about there's too much Celsius. We're going to get to the bottom of it, and then I'll come back. Let's go to Craig in Missouri. Craig.
Booyah, Jim. The stock I have is AMD, ticker symbol, Alpha Mike Delta.
Just go buy some. I wish I had been able to buy some today. I'm restricted for my charitable trust. Can't do it. Arun in Georgia. Arun.
Yes, sir. From Tampa, Florida. How are you?
I'm doing well. Booyah. How about it? What do you got?
Great. I watch regularly, and I have learned a lot. My question is on Carnival Cruise. I have several thousand shares bought at an average of $18.62. I noticed the midterm and long-term sentiment is strong, and also the valuation and the quality from S&P is very high. So, Thank you.
What was the stock? Carnival. I tell you the truth, I like Royal Caribbean more, and I like Viking more. Let's go to Dave in Illinois. Dave.
Dr. Cramer, my mad gardening friend, how's your German Johnsons?
The German Johnsons, I ate them, and I got to tell you, there's nothing like a German Johnson. Nothing.
Really?
They're really good. They're a good sandwich, Dave. Really good to sandwich. And a little bit of pepper cream, like a plum. What's going on?
Got it. Jim, this $14 billion Swiss company seems to be properly positioned to take advantage of the recent upsurge in PC demand. Logitech International has beaten earnings estimates in the last 4 quarters. Although it lags the S&P so far this year, Jim, your thoughts on LOGI?
I have to tell you, I agree with you, Dave. I think Hanukkah's doing a really good job. Now, the one thing I would tell you is that we are, when I listen to what Microsoft had to say, they're not as excited about the PCs yet. So it could be a Christmas play, not so much now. That's my thinking on it, but thank you for that one. Let's go to George in Massachusetts. George.
Hi, Jim. Several months ago, I asked you about a stock that I own called Vistra. The symbol is VST. back then it was in the low 30s. You said you liked it. The stock is around 80 now. Should I hold on to it?
Yeah, definitely. No, this is one of the winners of the year. I think it's going to continue to win. And I've got to tell you, I'm talking about the chief scientist and also research director of Mad Money, Ben Stoto. He and I marvel that this stock just has no quit in it. It has no quit. It's just the best. Let's go back to Let's go to Mike in Illinois. Mike.
Cramer, how are you?
I'm good. I've got another 47 callers, so let's just handle this one right now. What do you got?
ServiceNow, buy, sell, or hold.
Buy, sell, hold. I mean, come on, it's ServiceNow, for heaven's sake.
House of pleasure.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, NVIDIA leading the semi-stocks with a huge move higher today. What's driving all those gains, and can they continue? Cramer computes the move. Next.
Good evening, Mr. Cramer. Thank you. Thank you for everything you do.
You've been such a wonderful source of information with your teachings. I have to say thanks.
Thank you for all your advice and saving us from ourselves.
Your advice let me quit a job that I hated. I love you to death.
Thank you for everything you do. Thanks for making us money. And more importantly, thanks for keeping us from losing money.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.